Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Lihuri Aini, majoring in Fashion Design, State University of Padang. In this video, I will tell you about history of fashion. The history of fashion particularly refers to the development of the goals and objectives behind garments, shoes and accessories, design and construction. Humans recognized clothing in ancient time, but at the time humans covered their bodies only by using the materials that were around them. Fashion starts when humans start wearing clothes. These clothes are usually made of plants, animal skin, and bones. In the 18th century, the world of fashion was seen as one of the most interesting human cultural phenomena, now experiencing a shift in perspective in following dress, rules, and age. Thank you for watching this video, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.